Here we're at the marshes, and you see me? Oh, gosh, freezing cold on this side, and very, very, very chilly at the moment. So chilly, in fact, that we're just like Eskimos. Yes, as I was saying in one of the previous videos, that the marshes here was, believe it or not, the first place that Tottenham Hotspur Stadium had their grounds. Now that was something I didn't know. It's a very big area on the Lee Valley, and apparently there used to be a open swimming area up here. Yes, here we are at Tottenham Marshes on what is was a very bright sunshiny day, and is now absolutely chilly. It's like we're gonna have some rain. The cloud has started coming. Hopefully the volume will be much higher now. I'm using much of this Tottenham Marshes series to test out the filming gear. One thing surprised me about this walk in the marshes is literally how quick the weather has changed. Daughter again. Yeah, as I was saying about the marshes here. One thing surprised me today about the marshes is literally how fast the weather has changed. Wow, they've cut down all these bushes here. I don't know what they intend to do. I'm not too sure agriculturally farmers, I don't know the thinking behind this, but they've cut down all the blackberry bushes that used to be here. Actually, we have lots of blackberry bushes still on this side. All these that you're looking at here is wild blackberry bushes. You see? Well, what I cannot understand is what's going on this side. Why did they clear all this away? I don't know if they intend to develop anything. As far as I'm aware, they intend to use this marshes as a nice, clean, fresh area. Families having a rest. You see, over this side is just open fields, total grassland. Now what you're gonna see ahead, I'll show you quickly, is just literally people like trouble. So many people. Not too sure if that's why my wife has stopped, but seem to be lots and lots of people. Some people jogging, some people walking dogs. You know, people just out and about doing their thing. That's the beauty of the marshes. This tree that we're looking at here, it's a plum tree. It's bare now, but very, very nice in the summertime. Alright. So, back on the move apparently. That man driving that thing like he's a madman. Anyway, hit my daughter. Trouble! Take two. So today is very low, and they've cut down some of these bushes, so you can literally walk out if you wanted to. What would be nice, even though I can't do it right now, is to try and get inside one of them boats. Get in one of them boats, one of them barges. But because of COVID, lots of people may not be willing to do that. Apologize, my stabilization is not too good. Maybe not. But I'm working slowly on my craft. This videography is very interesting. So, what's my channel about really? Exploring different things, different sceneries around London. I spend so much time in parks. I like the green area. I grew up in around a green environment, and I miss it so much. And I'm so many miles away from it. The least I can do is to come into places like this, where I can get a little tiny bit of escape. Not much, but at least a little. From the hustle and the bustle. What's the matter? Can you see the swamp there? Be careful. Throw the stick if you want to throw it. Throw it from there. Alright, good. Come on now. That was our mission, to throw that stick.